Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Peacock account to your smart TV, simply follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to your TV's App Store or Channel Store depending on your brand. Step 2. Use the search function to find the Peacock streaming app in the App Store. Step 3. Download and install the Peacock app on your smart TV by selecting the Install button. Step 4. Open the Peacock app once the installation is complete from your TV's app menu. Step 5. Select the sign-in option and an activation code will appear on your television screen. Step 6. On your smartphone or computer, open a web browser and visit peacocktv.com/tv/activate. Step 7. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV and log in with your Peacock email and password. Step 8. After entering your credentials, your TV will automatically refresh and link to your account. You can now enjoy streaming movies, shows, sports, and live TV on Peacock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.